This is the second part to review day 3. Okay? Alright. Into this first video, so now I'm doing this one here. Make sure you understand all this. It will be on your test. Okay? So, explain the steps in finding each shape. Include all work answers in your explanation. Okay, so first we're going to start, how do we solve this? Let's find the area. I'm going to start finding the area of the triangle first. First, I would find the area of the triangle length times width divided by 2 by multiplying eight times 5 and divide by 2. To get 20 millimeters squared, period. Next, I would have to do the Pythagorean theorem to find the diameter of the circle. Next, I would have to do the Pythagorean theorem a squared plus b squared equals to c squared to find the diameter of the circle. Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 8 squared plus 5 squared equals to c squared. 64 plus 25, let me get rid of that, 89 equals to c squared. Okay, find the square root of 89. See the square root of 89. Get a calculator out. Um, 89 square root. 9.43 to find a diameter circle, which is 9.4 millimeter. Therefore, the radius is, divide that by 2, 9.4 divided by 2, 4.7 millimeters. Next, we can find area of half a circle. Then we can find the area of half a circle pi r squared divided by 2 by multiplying which is 3.14 times 4.7 squared divided by 2. Put in your calculator.
Technically, you only need to have one Pokemon, but besides that,
I got 34.6813 meters. Lastly, we add together the two areas, millimeters squared. Lastly, we add 34.6813 to 20. Okay, and get 54.6813 millimeters squared as the area of the shaded region.
there's two poison types though. Which one's
Okay.
in the dark side and this one?
Alright,
Poisonous.
and then we do this one here. I think we did this in class, just in case you didn't get it in class. You first find the area of this triangle. This is called its length, and this is called its width, or base times the height. So, area of the triangle, this is 12. First, we find the area of the triangle, length times width divided by 2, or base times height divided by 2 also. Which means we multiply 7 times 12 and divide by 2 to get 42 feet. Okay, next we find the area of this rectangle, right? So that's just length times width. We don't need to do Pythagorean theorem because we have the length, we have the width, or the length, that's the width. Next, we find the area of the rectangle by multiplying 8 times 12 to get 96 feet squared. Lastly,
After you're done folding, you want to try the next? After I eat?
we add the two areas. 96 plus 42 to get a total area of 1,000 feet squared. Period. Okay? One of these will be on there. It's an attachment. So, alright. This one may be on the next test. You subtract though. Right? Okay. Let's first find the area of the whole circle. Let's first find the area of the rectangle. Here. First, find the area of the rectangle. By multiplying 9 times 4 to get 36 inches squared. Next, we have to do the Pythagorean theorem to find the diameter. This is 4. This is a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Next, we need to do the Pythagorean theorem to find the diameter. Okay?
Do you know where I put the cards at?
A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 4 squared plus 9 squared.
I put them in here.
16 plus 81.
Yeah, and one right there. Your dad?
And the square root of that is close to 10.
This one will go right here.
97. 9.8.
And another one right here. If you get.
Put those in the box. Because behind
The diameter is 9.8. Therefore,
I can't wait till we do it.
the radius is 9.8 divided by 2. I'm tired. This stuff makes me tired. Uh-oh. 9.8 divided by 2. 4.9 inches. Honey, why don't you chop the chicken and stuff? At least clean up the bell peppers.
I thought you were going to cook that tomorrow.
No, today.
Yeah, chop it up, Dad.
All right. Can I go
area of a circle. Next,
Also, I'll bring this. So
find the area of the circle.
No, just needs to use it. It's actually pretty long.
Pi r squared. You guys are loud, okay? So 3.14 times 4.9 squared. 3.14 times, 3.14 times 4.9 squared. 75 to get the answer of 75.3914. Okay, then we subtract, right? Lastly, we subtract. We finish this. Lastly, we subtract. Okay, now this one here, you need to find, this is length, we're missing width, this is diameter. Okay? So a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. A and b. So 9 squared plus w squared equals to 15 squared. Okay? You do that. And then you find the width, area, and then subtract. Okay? You explain this the best you can. I've explained enough. Anyways, a parallelogram formed by this graph and label the coordinates of the label the coordinates to the trapezoid A, B, C. Okay. A is 1, 2. B is 3, 8. C is 9, 8. D is 7, 2. A, B, C, D.
Oh, sorry. An infinite string. Those are good names. You got it.
They're pretty cool.
So, unless it's
That's
the
not good.
That one isn't as good as the other ones. I mean, some of them are really good.
Okay. We graph that. Draw the diagonal A to C. Draw the diagonal A to C. Draw the diagonal A to C. Oh, that's not a straight one. Okay. Then determine its length. Okay. Now ignore all the black. That means pretend these aren't there. Okay, you make a right angle. Bring that down. Oops. Bring it down. Bring that down. And then you do a squared, which is 6. B squared. This is 8. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 36 plus 64 is 100.
Okay.
Square root.
Going on to the senior team.
The length
Okay.
of AC is 10 units. Okay? Okay, then let's put back the right here, the parallelogram. Draw the diagonal BD. Okay. Draw the diagonal BD right here. And determine its length. I believe it's the same. It's a parallelogram. It looks quite... Okay, pretend then these don't exist. and go straight down. No, it's not the same. Go straight down, and then this way. That's 4. That's 6. So, and then you do a squared again. Find that length, okay? And then, if you have a hard time seeing it, you can always erase.
Here are the countries that participated. Argentina, Australia, Belgium. I can't name.
Leave the 2 so you can see, okay? Rotate the trapezoid 90 degrees. It should say parallelogram, sorry. 90 degrees counterclockwise is 0. Counter, you remember needing to switch the numbers. 90, the opposite of a clock. 180, 270. So 90, all your answers will be here. Switch the coordinates. Okay, so A is 1, 2, so 2, 1. This is 7, 2, so 2, 7. And this is 9, 8, so 8, 9. And this is 3, 8, so 8, 3. And then that's the oops. There. Okay. Reflect the pre-image over y negative 1. Here's y negative 1 right here. That means the mirror is right here. Reflect over it.
United Kingdom, United States.
It's 3 away. So 3 away this way. Same right here. And then this is 6, 8 away, so 2 plus another 6, 8, let's see, how many is that? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, right there.
And then for the Masters, somebody, it was an Argentinian.
And then the other side is
And it was in Anaheim.
okay.
You sure it was Anaheim, California?
Yeah, it says Anaheim.
It doesn't look right.
All those different countries, it was in Anaheim. That's awesome.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 9, one more. One more up. Yeah, one more up right
There
here.
was a whole bunch of tables.
That looks much better, right? And then it just doesn't look right.
There had to be a lot of tables. There had to be a lot of tables in only 3 days. 3 days. There was also the video game team and contestants too. 900 contestants.
Okay, I think I'm short by 1 here. I think it's right here. 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, right there. Ah, jeez. Reflection. And the other one's right there. And that's it. There you go.
And also a lot of people playing Pokemon Go.
Okay. Same with this. What transformation occurred here? It's called rotation of 0, 90 degrees clockwise. Rotation of 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. Find the length of FH, F to H. Pretend all the other ones don't exist. So I go here, there's my 90 degrees. Okay? 3, 4, and the missing FH is 5. Reflect over y negative 1. Okay. And the last one here. First you want to draw the two angles. The triangles here.
1, 2, 3, 4 Japanese in for the top 8. This is the top 8 in the juniors. There was 4 Japanese in the top 8 for juniors, 3 Americans, and 1 Switzerland.
Okay, and that's P, Q,
Norway.
and T. And the little triangle is this one here.
Norway, Sweden.
Big triangle is 9, and that's all we know. And we don't know this length. Give it X. Therefore, this little piece right here is X minus 4. It's 3, 4. Okay, and let's find the length of RT. RT, you do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. But we need to find QS and QT. We need to first find QT by doing proportions. Corresponding sides, 9 over 3 equals to X over 4. 36 equals to 3X. Divide by 3. X is 12. This is 12. Which is the length of QT. So therefore QT is 12. QS then is 12 minus 4, which is 8. Okay? Don't forget the units. Very important. That's it.